Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabutinkufoodies. Today I'm going to show you an easy peasy, no-bake cheesecake cup recipe with two amazing flavors, rose and pistachio. The filling of this cheesecake is made with yogurt. It's super rich and creamy and requires only a handful of ingredients. And it has this crumbly chocolatey base which is a combo of cashews, almonds and of course some unsweetened cocoa which complements the creamy filling perfectly. And with the festive season going on, this is a perfect, healthy and yummy treat for any parties or get-together. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe and let's get started. So we'll start with making hung curd first. We'll place a cheesecloth over a large bowl, add 500 gram of curd or yogurt. Tie the cloth and hang it in the fridge for at least 4 to 5 hours or overnight along with the bowl so that the dripping water can collect in it. When all the water is drained out, you will get this thick and creamy hung curd. Now divide the curd in two parts, one for the rose and the other for the pistachio cheesecake. Keep it aside and let's make the chocolate crust for cheesecakes. In your blender, add 3 tablespoons chopped cashews, 2 tablespoons chopped almonds. Now for the sweetness, I am adding jaggery powder, but feel free to replace it with any other sweetener of your choice. We'll also add some unsweetened cocoa powder, half teaspoon coconut oil. You can replace it with butter as well. Now we'll grind it well to make a fine powder. The chocolate crust is ready. We'll keep this aside and start with our first cheesecake, that is rose. In your blender, add 2 tablespoons edible dried rose petals and grind them into a fine powder. We'll add this rose powder in half of the hung curd. We'll also add 1.5 tablespoon honey. And using a spoon or a whisk, give it a good mix till it's well combined. Now it's time to assemble the cheesecake in a cup. So first we'll add the chocolate crust mixture. Here I'm using my pestle to press down this mixture. Now we'll add in the rose hung curd. Top it up with a generous layer of chocolate crust. And then finish it with some more rose hung curd. Garnish it with some rose powder. And keep it in the fridge to chill for 2 to 3 hours. And the rose cheesecake is ready. This no-bake rose flavored cheesecake is a perfect treat when you are craving for something healthy and tasty at the same time. And now similarly, we'll make the pistachio cheesecake. In your blender, add 2 tablespoons pistachios and grind them into a fine powder. Add this pistachio powder in the remaining hung curd. Add 1.5 tablespoon honey. Half teaspoon cardamom powder. And give it a good mix till everything is well combined. Now we'll assemble the cheesecake by adding the chocolate crust mixture in a cup. Press it down with a pestle or a spoon. Now add in the pista hung curd. Add in one more layer of chocolate crust. And finish it off with some more pistachio curd. Garnish it with some more ground pistachios and keep it in the fridge to chill for 2 to 3 hours. And the pistachio cheesecake is ready to enjoy. This cute mini cheesecake is a must try. It's easy to put together and makes for that perfect single serving for one. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you want to try something new in dessert which is healthy and tasty as well, do give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. For more recipes, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Stay tuned. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.